Morning, guys. In fact, I'll stop the car. Oh, there we go. Girls with curly hair will know this one. I'm just about to drive. It's not too bad. I'm just about to drive just under an hour and a half to Port Talbot to my lawyers to go and sign some personal guarantee forms for a property. The curly hair look. Girls who run businesses and have curly hair sometimes use the card blow dryer to curl the hair. So if I do a vid later, I'll have super curly hair. So what's this one about? It's about working with really great lawyers, accountants, bookkeepers, and financial advisors. I wouldn't profess ever to have any kind of high-level professional competency in any of those skills, but we have a really great set of lawyers, which is why I drive an hour and a half or an hour and 20 minutes to go see them, because I think they're really good. And I've worked with two financial advisors. Both of them I think are absolutely superb. Their attention to detail is brilliant. Their advice is excellent. They know my strategy. They're really proactive, and they treat me like I'm stupid, which is exactly what I want, as in put it in an email so I can then do my calculations kind of with the dummy information. We have a bookkeeper who comes in once a week who's just superb, and we've worked together for years, and I'm just incredibly grateful for her. So now she's going on to doing a review of the portfolio with me, which is really good fun. And what it means is, and we use Xero, Xero, which is an online cloud-based accounting system. There we go. Me and my hair wash. There you go. And it means that by Wednesday afternoon, all of my businesses, and I have a personal portfolio, a trading company for the education, and a limited company for a whole bunch of properties as well, they're up to date. I can see my profit and loss per property. I can see profit and loss for the whole lot. I can see cash flow for the future, what bills are in the system but not yet due, all of that stuff. And then finally, we have a fantastic, I don't mean roll in, roll out, but roll in, roll out finance director. So as a business, we're too small to have a full-time board of directors, but we still need those high-level competencies. And so I meet with Alex once a month at 7:30 morning, and we do like a 3-4 hour session on financial analysis, financial management, and financial planning. So your team of key advisors, finance director, you might want to work on a consultancy basis the way we do. A fantastic bookkeeper is going to be your number one. Do not be one of those people, and we have all been there, who is laying out their receipts about 3 days before January the 31st to put in your tax return. We know our tax return from just from the week that the year closes, and then we set the tax aside ready to pay it. We haven't always done that. It has been scary at times, but these days we set it aside, we set our VAT aside, all that stuff. You want fantastic financial advisors, and you want fantastic lawyers. Morning. And the good thing about driving is you get to think. So actually, and you can probably tell, I was up at 4:30. Now I'm a bit early bird, and I'm not normally up at this early, but I couldn't sleep. So I was lying in bed with my phone planning the next 5 or 10 years of the portfolio. So we'll pay this one off, and then what we'll do is we'll move that one to flats. And I was just writing out the key actions in the portfolio, and then what will the cost be for getting all the planning for that, and then what will be the renovation cost, and then we'll get planning for a house in the garden of this one, and then we'll kick off the planning for the 3 flats that we've got already, and then we'll do this development that we've got. And it was really good fun. However, I'm not sure by 4 o'clock this afternoon I'm going to really appreciate having been super buzzed up. So morning, get yourself a fantastic team. It is so useful, because that stuff you're not necessarily going to be good at. Employ people who are fantastic, and then it's a buzz to work with them. Right, I'm going to drive safe. See you guys soon. Bye.